Y'all have been asking to see my new hair, so here it is. I feel like I was expecting it to be a little bit darker. It's still very blonde, but honestly, I love it. And I told my hairdresser last night, I was like, I think that this is my favorite combination we've ever done. Just got a coffee and a donut, of course. But I did want to hop on here because I saw a bunch of comments last night because I mentioned in last night's video when I was doing my hair that I lost a bunch of hair after having my daughter, and I saw a lot of like really nice comments and also a lot of y'all saying that you experienced that too. So I just wanted to like, you know, post about it, I guess, like a dedicated post. So I will pop up a photo here. That was like, I don't know, maybe like a month after I had my daughter, and I was like so confused because I didn't know that that was a thing. Apparently it's like very common. And yeah, so I just wanted to share, you know, if anyone else is going through it, because I remember like just being like so mortified. Like I was like, oh my gosh. And hold on, I need a sip of this. But I will say, so now, this is, so I parted my hair a little bit differently today. So this is the side that was in that picture. And as you can see, I've got, my hairdresser like tries to like blend it in with like the coloring, but that's why I have these wings. Like a lot of people think that it's breakage, and I'm like, no, it's just, it's, my hair is actually very healthy. It's just, I said baby hairs, but someone in the comments was a hairstylist and she was like, no, like they're, I think she said fresh hairs, young hairs, like new hair. There's a term for it, but it's not baby hairs. And I also, believe it or not, I took off 4 inches. I haven't cut my hair in 2 years. So I took off 4 inches, and I don't know, I think I like this for now, like this color, a little bit darker than what I was doing. And I've told you guys before that I've like had the impulse to dye my hair dark for, it's 2 years ago when I went blonde. This might be the journey to brown, or I might just stay with this for a bit. I don't know. We will decide on that, but I love it. And I honestly, before baby boy comes, the next time I go, I might like take off a little bit more. I don't know. I just always feel refreshed after I get a haircut. But yeah, so a little bit vulnerable, but I did want to share that I did lose hair afterwards, and it's pretty common, I guess. Again, I had no idea that was a thing. So if you're going through that right now, just wanted to let you know that I've been there too. And mine, I remember wearing like a lot of hats to try and like hide it. I mean, I wear a lot of hats anyway, but I remember wearing hats because I was like so embarrassed, but there's no reason to be embarrassed. Alrighty then. Y'all can probably guess where I'm off to. The grocery store. I need to make a whole video about that because so many of you guys are like, oh, you go to the grocery store a lot. And I do, but I don't really get much when I go. So I need to do, honestly, I might make a video like filming like my receipts every time throughout the week that I go and give a total for you guys, because you guys want to know how much we pay for groceries every week. So I might do that. But anyway, okay, I will talk to you guys later. I hope that you have a good Friday, and make sure to go and get a coffee because you deserve it.